Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be making a creamy Italian salad dressing. So I'm going to first start off with my dry ingredients and then I'm going to add in my wet ingredients. So I have a nice salad dressing jar that I'm going to start off with my spices. So I'm going to be adding in some dry oregano, some dry parsley, some dry basil, a bit of salt, and a bit of pepper. I have some dried Parmesan cheese, which I'm now going to add into the mix. Then I'm going to shake it around so that all of the ingredients can get nicely mixed in. Once I have this completed, I'm going to go on to my wet ingredients and I'm going to add those in and I'm going to show you step by step how that's done. So now that I have all of the dry ingredients, it has a nice mix of all those seasonings. I'm going to start adding in my wet ingredients now. So I'm going to have some minced garlic, I have some lemon juice that I freshly squeezed. I'm going to be putting in some apple cider vinegar. I'm going to be putting in some honey. I have some water that I'm going to be putting in. I'm going to mix these up and then I'm going to show you the next ingredients. I'm now going to add some mayonnaise to the ingredients that we put in so far. Since I just finished mixing it all up, I'm going to add some mayonnaise. Now this might take a little longer because of the container that I'm using. If you want to use a wider container, it will be a lot quicker. I would like to use this one since it's nicely easy to store, and I like the way it pours out once the ingredients is all nicely mixed. So once I get all the mayonnaise in here, I'll show you what it looks like. So now that I have all my mayonnaise put into my container with all the other ingredients for this salad dressing, I'm now going to add a bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to mix it up and then it will be complete. So we're just going to mix it up and it will become more of a creamy base, and as I complete it, it'll be ready to serve. If you like this recipe and you want to see more like this, please subscribe to our channel. Hit that share, like, and that bell notification. And if you want to see what went into this recipe, I'll be posting it down in the description. Thank you.